Right, now I'll put the next wheel on. It goes there. Now they can't go on yet. Now I'll put the snail on. And those teeth there to mesh. Put it on there, whoops. Now, put the screw in. That's got him there. That started the screw off. Take it out. Tighten it down. Right, now we can start putting the flirts on. Where's the rack? Put the rack on next. Now this flirt goes in there. I'll reverse that. I'll put that flirt in first. There. And down in through that hole in the back plate. Got it? Now the rack. And to there. And that flirt goes there. Now we have to put a C-clip on that to hold it in place. Being that one there. Oop, dropped him. That's the C-clip. Put that on there. With a square end pair of pliers, we'll clip that in. Got him. Okay, put that up, drops into there. Now we've got to put a circlip on there to hold that. So, back into our box of goodies. There it is. Now to reach down inside here and get that circlip on. See if we can push it down or whether we've got to click it. not on yet. We'll have to click it with a pair of pliers. Around there, and spin that round a tiny bit. It'll make it easier to get at. And we bent it, so I'll have to get another one out and we'll come back to that. I couldn't find a circlip to fit for that flirt there, so I've just wound a piece of 28 gauge wire around it and tied it off, and that'll hold it quite securely. It won't move. Right, let's put the verge on now. I have to take this piece off. It's called the back cock. Do that, and actually I'll put this in here on our starter screwdriver because we'll be ready to roll then. Right, now we'll put the verge on. First we'll have to put the pendulum leader, this piece here, in through the bottom of the crutch, twist it round. Not very easy to get in, but it will go in. Almost had it. There we go. And that hook there clips over the end of the suspension spring once we get it in place. The verge in, find its pivot hole, tiny little bush on that. Should just go straight in there like that. Now we fit it into the bush there. Then we'll put one screw in to hold it for the moment. Tighten that down a tiny bit. Second screw. We won't worry about aligning the verge at the moment. We'll do that once we set the movement up sufficient that it's there at the moment. Now we have to join the pendulum leader to the suspension spring. Now put the next screw into the back cock, hold it all together. That one goes there. Now I won't worry about setting up the crutch at the moment and getting the pallets to work correctly on the escape wheel. We'll do that once we set the movement up. Come up a tiny bit more, I think. Right. That's got that in. Okay. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.
Good morning.